Welcome back. So before we get started, a couple things really quick here. Cody's S14 is all done. It's running great. I want to say thanks for all the subscribers too. I got 350 subscribers. Didn't think that this channel would even do that, so much appreciated. And going back in on the S13, I mean, we got a big update here. Obviously, we see an SR20 sitting here. Deal popped up that I couldn't pass up, so we're going to be moving forward with this. Just a recap, if you haven't seen, obviously my KA that's in the S13, rod knocked it in Vegas. Right after that happened, I went on doing Cody's car, so got that all done. Perfect timing for this deal to pop up. I feel like when you're doing an engine rebuild all the way down from scratch, you have to be 110% committed to, you know, spending the money and the whole thing that's involved with an engine rebuild. Was I that sold on a KA? Probably not. I don't want to turn this into like a KA versus SR debate. Everyone's got their own preference. I used to have a couple SRs back in the day. Never torn completely into one before, but yeah, I'm excited to get into this thing. This one also does need a rebuild, but much rather put the money into an SR than a KA. It's just a nostalgic feeling for me growing up with these motors in my 240s and stuff in high school. So let's jump right into this. A couple things, we're gonna tear this thing down. We're gonna see exactly what happened on there, break it down, see what the carnage is, and here we go. This one here came with a couple goodies. Pretty nice looking manifold here. It doesn't have any markings on it. Yeah, it might be an older unit of some sort. It doesn't look like one of the China ones to me. I guess it could be a China one, but I haven't seen one that looks like this. There's a lot of like older style components. The engine came with everything, even all the way down to the fuel pressure regulator, but the guy said it was a T28 turbo. You know, it's got the Garrett stamp on it. But yeah, he said that it had Tomei cams in it, but we're gonna find out here pretty soon about that. Toyota Racing flywheel, intake manifold, starter alternator. See, this is what I'm saying. Fuel rail. It's got some Home Depot special on it or something. Coils, 750 injectors that I probably won't be using. I really got some plans for this thing. I want to do a standalone, probably go with the Link ECU, but yeah, we'll put a wish list together at some point, start cracking into this thing, but there she is. All right, so to start on this, getting the turbo out, you're gonna wanna take the two hard lines off. One's the oil feed and one's a coolant line. So start with taking these ones off. And then when you take the turbo out in the manifold, the lines will come out with it.